Abdulhamid sat in his opulent chamber, the weight of leadership balanced with serenity. His reputation as a just ruler brought peace to the land, where justice and faith flourished. As he pondered his next decree, an old man, draped in tattered rags, entered, his face etched with fear.
Your Majesty.
The man trembled.
A dark force lurks in the old ruins beyond the city walls. My son vanished there last night. The villagers whisper of a Jinn that haunts the place.
Sultan Abdulhamid, known for his courage and unwavering faith, listened intently. His eyes narrowed, not in fear, but determination.
I shall go and see for myself,
he declared, rejecting the pleas of his viziers to send soldiers instead.
A ruler who hides behind his army in the face of his people's suffering is unworthy of his throne.
With only a sword and lantern, Sultan Abdulhamid rode into the night, his silhouette a resolute shadow against the eerie ruins. As he ventured deeper, a low growl echoed from the shadows. Emerging from the darkness was a towering figure, eyes glowing like embers.
You dare enter my domain, O Sultan?
The Jinn's voice littered a venomous hiss.
Turn back, face my wrath.
I rule by the decree of Allah, and I fear none but Him. The Sultan replied, his voice steady and unwavering. If you have harmed my people, I shall not forgive you. The Jinn laughed, a chilling sound that reverberated through the ruins. You are brave, but your sword is useless against me. As the sacred words flowed from his lips, the Jinn shrieked, its form flickering like a dying flame. It clawed at the air, trying to resist the divine power. You are bound by evil, but Allah's light is stronger than all darkness, the Sultan declared. With a final cry, the Jinn was engulfed in a burst of blinding light, vanishing into nothingness. The missing boy was found nearby, unharmed but unconscious. As the Sultan returned to the palace, the people rejoiced, knowing their ruler was not just a man of power, but a man of faith and courage. The legend of the just Sultan Abdulhamid and his triumph over the dark Jinn was passed down through generations, a tale of faith